Forget bone broth. There's a natural food that fights sarcopenia and rebuilds muscle even better. For seniors over 60, it helps restore strength, improve balance, and keep your body youthful. Stay till the end, because the final tip reveals how to eat it for faster, lasting results. Our first powerful ally in the fight against muscle loss is something many overlook: fish skin broth. This remarkable liquid boasts an impressive 12 to 15 grams of collagen per cup, almost double what you'd find in most common bone broths. What makes it even more potent is that this marine collagen is absorbed into your body a stunning 1.5 times more efficiently than other types, making it exceptionally effective for seniors actively working to preserve and build muscle. The collagen in fish skin directly supports the very structure of your muscle fibers and fortifies the crucial connective tissues that bind your muscles together, providing foundational strength. But there's a vital secret about fish skin broth that very few seniors realize. It's also incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids and selenium. These powerhouse nutrients play a critical role in reducing inflammation within your muscles, which in turn allows them to recover more quickly and grow stronger after even light exercise. Furthermore, the omega-3s actively improve protein synthesis, meaning your body becomes far more efficient at utilizing the protein you already consume, maximizing its muscle-building potential. The science backs this up with astounding results. A recent study conducted in Japan tracked 120 seniors grappling with sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, over a 6-month period. Those participants who regularly consumed fish skin broth daily experienced an average gain of 3.2 pounds of muscle mass, a dramatic difference compared to the mere 0.8 pounds gained by the control group. The findings were so compelling that researchers lauded it as a natural muscle preservation therapy. This wisdom isn't new. Ancient Chinese medicine has recognized and utilized fish skin broth for over 2,000 years to combat what they termed muscle withering disease. Traditional healers intuitively understood the ocean's ability to restore strength to aging bodies, long before modern scientific methods were able to confirm their profound insights. Making your own fish skin broth at home is surprisingly simple. Just simmer fish skins from salmon or cod in water for 2 to 3 hours with a hint of ginger and sea salt. You'll know it's packed with collagen if the broth gels beautifully when cooled. While there are specific foods you absolutely must never combine with fish skin broth for optimal muscle growth, which I'll reveal later, you can easily incorporate it into your daily meals. For a robust breakfast, try adding it to your scrambled eggs. At lunchtime, it makes a wonderfully savory base for a vegetable soup combined with lean chicken. For dinner, simply sip a warm cup alongside grilled salmon and wholesome sweet potatoes. These delicious and easy combinations are not only appetizing but also supercharge your daily muscle-building regimen, setting you on a path to stronger, more vibrant living. While fish skin broth is incredibly effective, to truly supercharge your muscle growth and achieve results you thought were impossible, you need to combine it with our next collagen powerhouse, chicken feet broth. This remarkable broth provides an astounding 15 to 18 grams of collagen per cup, accounting for a massive 70% of its total protein content. Crucially, this collagen is predominantly type 1 and type 2, which are instrumental not only in directly rebuilding muscle fibers, but also in strengthening the cartilage surrounding your joints. For seniors, this translates directly into noticeably stronger muscles and a significant reduction in joint pain during physical activity, allowing you to move with greater ease and confidence. What's even more surprising is that chicken feet broth naturally contains high levels of glucosamine and chondroitin, the very same expensive compounds found in those costly joint supplements many of you might be taking. These natural components actively work to reduce muscle inflammation and dramatically speed up your recovery time, empowering you to build muscle far faster than you ever imagined possible at your age. A truly groundbreaking study from South Korea closely observed 85 seniors over 4 months, revealing that those who consistently consumed chicken feet broth just 3 times a week experienced an incredible 28% increase in their leg strength and a 45% reduction in muscle soreness. researchers confidently concluded that its unique collagen profile made it distinctly superior to many traditional protein supplements. This potent remedy also has deep historical roots, with traditional Chinese medicine prescribing chicken feet soup for bone strength for over 3,000 years. Ancient healers understood that the feet contained the most powerful muscle-building compounds found within the entire chicken. Preparing chicken feet broth is also straightforward. Simply simmer clean chicken feet for 4 to 6 hours with fresh onions and herbs. Like the fish skin broth, it should become thick and gelatinous once cooled, indicating its rich collagen content. Now, here's the game-changing secret. When you thoughtfully combine fish skin broth with chicken feet broth, you unlock a synergistic effect, receiving a full spectrum of both marine and land-based collagen types. This powerful combination provides a truly complete amino acid profile that your muscles simply cannot get from any single source alone. The lighter, fast-absorbing fish collagen provides immediate muscle repair and nourishment, while the heartier chicken collagen offers sustained, long-lasting structural support. Together, they function as an unstoppable tag team, relentlessly rebuilding your muscles from the inside out. Incorporating this dynamic duo into your diet is simple and delicious. For breakfast, gently warm a cup of chicken feet broth and whisk in 2 beaten eggs for a nourishing, protein-rich custard. At lunch, let it serve as a robust base for your favorite vegetable soup, adding carrots, celery, and a handful of fresh spinach for a complete and fortifying meal. And for dinner, savor a steaming mug of seasoned chicken feet broth about 30 minutes before your main course. This wise practice primes your digestive system, ensuring maximum collagen absorption when your body needs it most for vital overnight muscle repair. However, all the remarkable benefits from these collagen-rich broths could be completely wasted, or even worse, become detrimental if you make one of 3 critical mistakes by combining them with certain foods. The last food I'm about to reveal is so incredibly common, I'm almost certain you've eaten it this very week. These combinations don't just lessen the benefits, they can actually form dangerous compounds that act like poison in your body, actively damaging your muscles and joints, undoing all your hard work. It's a shocking reality that most seniors have absolutely no idea they are unknowingly sabotaging their own muscle-building efforts and increasing their health risks by consuming these seemingly innocent foods alongside their collagen-rich meals. After meticulously reviewing dozens of nutritional studies, treating thousands of patients battling muscle loss, and consulting extensively with leading researchers in muscle preservation, I've pinpointed the 3 most dangerous food combinations that every senior must avoid at all costs if you truly want to regain and maintain your strength and vitality. The very first food you absolutely must never pair with any collagen-rich food is, surprisingly, white rice. This common staple, so often enjoyed alongside broths and soups by many seniors, is secretly undermining your muscle-building endeavors. White rice boasts a glycemic index of 73, which is astonishingly higher than even pure sugar. When you consume it with your collagen-rich broths and soups, the rapid and significant spike in blood sugar it causes directly interferes with your body's critical ability to absorb and effectively utilize those vital collagen proteins needed for muscle repair and growth. A compelling 2019 study published in the prestigious Journal of Clinical Nutrition rigorously followed 200 diabetic seniors for 8 weeks. The findings were stark. Those who combined high glycemic foods like white rice with their collagen meals exhibited a staggering 40% less muscle protein synthesis compared to those who consciously avoided white rice. The researchers definitively concluded that elevated blood glucose levels literally block the uptake of crucial amino acids into your muscle cells, halting growth in its tracks. But here's the truly alarming truth that most doctors simply won't tell you. When white rice combines with the already high mineral content present in fish and chicken broths, it tragically creates what are known as advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These are incredibly toxic compounds that accumulate directly within your muscle tissue, triggering inflammation and, even more concerning, actually accelerating muscle breakdown. In essence, you are unwittingly poisoning the very muscles you are diligently trying to build and strengthen. I vividly recall treating Margaret, an 87-year-old patient who came to me utterly frustrated, having seen no results despite drinking bone broth daily for 6 months. Her mistake? A bowl of white rice accompanied every single serving, which she mistakenly believed was a healthy and filling addition. Within just 3 weeks of eliminating white rice from her diet and making a simple switch to quinoa, she gained a remarkable 2.1 pounds of muscle mass and triumphantly reported feeling stronger than she had in years. Therefore, if you are truly serious about preserving and building your precious muscle, it is absolutely imperative that you never consume white rice within 2 hours of enjoying any collagen-rich broth. Your long-term muscle health, your strength, and your invaluable future independence genuinely depend on this vital choice. Our second crucial warning involves alcohol, especially when consumed around bedtime. Many seniors enjoy a relaxing glass of wine with dinner or a customary nightcap before bed, often believing it to be harmless or even offering some health benefits. However, when you combine alcohol with these powerful collagen-rich broths, you are unwittingly igniting a perfect storm that devastates your body's muscle-building potential. Even a moderate amount of alcohol, and by that I mean just a single glass of wine, can mercilessly shut down muscle protein synthesis by an astonishing 37%. Alcohol actively interferes with your body's complex ability to process the essential amino acids derived from collagen, effectively transforming your beneficial collagen soups into nothing more than useless liquid. The timing of this consumption is particularly insidious. Drinking alcohol anywhere close to bedtime directly disrupts the crucial natural muscle repair processes that are supposed to happen during your restorative deep sleep. A landmark study tracking 150 seniors over 12 weeks starkly revealed that those who consumed alcohol within 4 hours of their collagen intake exhibited significantly reduced muscle growth compared to the group that remained alcohol-free. Researchers pinpointed that alcohol specifically blocks mTOR signaling, which is the vital pathway your muscles absolutely rely on to absorb and effectively utilize collagen proteins for repair and growth. But here's the truly alarming revelation. Alcohol, when combined with the high amino acid content naturally found in collagen broths, creates toxic compounds called aldehydes. These dangerous substances accumulate in your delicate muscle tissue, leading to widespread cellular damage. You are quite literally poisoning your muscles while actively trying to strengthen them. I recall vividly treating Robert, an 82-year-old former construction worker who religiously consumed chicken feet broth every evening, only to follow it with his nightly medicinal whiskey. Despite conscientiously consuming premium collagen for 4 months, his muscle mass continued its alarming decline. Yet within just 6 weeks of bravely eliminating his evening alcohol habit, his grip strength impressively increased by 23%, and he gained a significant 1.8 pounds of lean muscle. The solution, therefore, is clear and critically simple. Maintain an alcohol-free regimen for at least 24 hours on your recovery days. If your commitment to building and preserving strong muscles is genuine, your collagen-rich broths must never ever share space with alcohol in your system. If the previous 2 revelations left you stunned, prepare yourself for the final and perhaps most common culprit that seniors unknowingly pair with their collagen-rich foods: bacon. While bacon's smoky, salty allure might seem like the perfect savory companion to a hearty bowl of broth, this processed meat is, in fact, one of the absolute worst things you can combine with your muscle-building elixirs. The overwhelming majority of seniors have no idea they are actively derailing their own progress with this seemingly innocent choice. Just one single strip of bacon can contain over 400 milligrams of sodium, alongside a cocktail of nitrates, phosphates, and various other chemical preservatives. When this high sodium and chemical load is introduced to your already mineral-rich collagen broths, your body's sodium levels dangerously skyrocket, leading to harmful water retention and pervasive systemic inflammation. This widespread inflammation then directly interferes with the crucial process of muscle protein synthesis, preventing your body from properly building and repairing muscle, and simultaneously places an enormous strain on your vital cardiovascular system. A powerful 2020 study from Harvard Medical School diligently observed 180 seniors battling sarcopenia over a 10-week period. The results were alarming. Participants who consistently consumed processed meats like bacon alongside their protein-rich meals showed a shocking 45% higher inflammatory markers and experienced 30% less muscle growth compared to those who opted for clean, unprocessed proteins. Researchers specifically discovered that the nitrates prevalent in bacon actively block amino acid absorption at a cellular level, rendering your collagen intake far less effective. But here's the truly hidden and horrifying danger. The preservatives in bacon react chemically with the delicate amino acids found in your collagen broths to form highly dangerous compounds known as nitrosamines. These insidious compounds are not only linked to muscle degeneration, but are also strongly associated with an increased risk of cancer. You are literally manufacturing toxins within your own digestive system, undoing any good you might be trying to achieve. I clearly recall a patient named Dorothy, an 85-year-old woman who cherished adding crispy bacon bits to her fish skin broth every morning. Despite religiously drinking collagen for 5 months, her joint pain inexplicably worsened, and her blood pressure tragically spiked to dangerously high levels. Within just 3 weeks of switching to plain grilled chicken seasoned with simple herbs instead of bacon, her inflammation markers plummeted by 40%, and, to her delight, she finally began to see significant muscle gains. So please, make the wise choice. Opt for plain grilled chicken, turkey, or fish with fresh herbs. Your muscles crave clean, wholesome fuel, not processed poisons disguised as a delicious breakfast. Now that you are armed with this vital knowledge about the 3 dangerous foods actively sabotaging your muscle-building efforts, I have a sincere and important question for you. Which of these toxic combinations have you perhaps unknowingly been consuming with your collagen broths? Please take a moment to drop a comment below and share your experiences. I personally read every single comment, and I am genuinely curious to learn from your journeys and insights. If you are truly serious about finally building the strong, resilient muscles you absolutely deserve at your age, then I have something incredibly special that I've meticulously created just for you. My exclusive 30-day muscle recovery meal plan contains over 50 meticulously crafted high-protein meals and collagen-rich recipes, all expertly designed to maximize your muscle growth and recovery. Every single recipe within this plan is specifically engineered to avoid the dangerous, toxic food combinations I've just revealed, ensuring you get pure, unadulterated muscle-building power. Moreover, I've included precise timing strategies to optimize collagen absorption, guaranteeing you reap every possible benefit. You can easily find the link to this comprehensive and life-changing meal plan right in my pinned comment or in the description just below this video. But wait, there's something even more exciting and truly revolutionary coming your way. Tomorrow, I am poised to reveal an ancient, forgotten secret that will completely transform the way you think about building essential leg strength. Forget the endless, tiring exercises you've been told to do. Instead, I'm going to show you 3 remarkably specific spots on your legs that you can gently massage for just 30 seconds each night before you go to bed, allowing you to build significant leg strength while you sleep. This incredibly powerful, ancient technique has been clinically proven to increase muscle activation by an astounding 34%, all without a single rep of exercise whatsoever. I can only share this truly groundbreaking information with my dedicated subscribers first. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, now is the absolute time to do it. You simply do not want to miss tomorrow's video. Trust me when I say this leg strength secret will genuinely shock you, and I absolutely guarantee you've never heard anything like it anywhere else. I look forward to seeing you very soon with this incredible revelation.